So we're going to talk about the monetization process so far, from what I know, my take on it, right? So to get monetized, to be completely honest, it is a lot of hard work. Like, me did have to put in enough video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jaydah and I create travel, lifestyle and business content. Today's video, I'm going to get the little money. I don't know how long we wait for this, and it finally come good here, we get the money. So I'll be telling you guys, if you didn't get what I just said, I will basically be telling you guys that I'm now monetized on YouTube, and I actually got my first paycheck. I think I got monetized in about November last year. Well, I did, yeah, not I think. So this video is really just a big thank you to you guys for rocking with me. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. We actually hit the payment threshold now, and girl can get some money, so we can make some money. So I'm so happy about that. I was just reflecting back on the YouTube journey, and obviously you guys know I didn't actually start this as a means to make money or to even be on long term. And I started because my friends literally forced me to, and at the time I was also donating a kidney, and I really wanted to raise awareness on the fact that it affects us mostly in the Black community, and the fact that we don't have a lot of living donors at the moment, and you know, etc, etc, etc. So to be here a year later, like literally February is our 1 year anniversary. I don't know the video very bossy was. February is our 1 year anniversary on YouTube, so it's literally such a blessing to be able to earn from something that I didn't even know would still be here a year later. So I'm eternally grateful to you guys. Obviously, you know, I always gotta thank our creator, thank God for making this possible. And I'm going to be telling you guys what I wish I knew before YouTube, before starting it. And I've actually been doing YouTube wrong, and I feel like the reason why it took so long for me to actually get monetized is because I wasn't consistent at all. You guys know this. I wasn't consistent at all when I just started. I wasn't taking it seriously. I would just record anyhow, like any kind of video. I didn't care about my presentation. I literally just wanted the information to be there, and that was my job. Like I would feel accomplished just for the fact that yeah, the video up, and yeah, like when I care about the rest. So it's grateful, you know, it's really overwhelming sometimes to see the growth, like the personal growth. Like I go back a lot of the, not a lot of the times, but I do go back on my channel, and I will just skip through just to see like where I'm coming from in terms of the way my video would be presented, the way I used to speak so fastly, like so anxious in my videos. Like you could literally see that I'm uncomfortable being here, but I just knew that it was something that I literally just had to push through the anxious feeling, push through thinking that everybody's judging you, push through the fact that you may get hateful comments, like literally just push through just so I could be on the other side of it, which is here. So I'm literally so happy that I forced myself to do YouTube, because now look where we are and look at the impact that I'm having on people's life. I'm literally so grateful for the whole thing. And you guys already know, like YouTube impacted my business on another level that was unimaginable. Like a lot of you guys supported me, a lot of you guys helped me and gave me advice on my current home ownership journey, from becoming from becoming an Airbnb host to now a landlady. Like once I shared the story, a lot of you guys reached out. So I really like the fact that now I am building a community, like somewhat. I'm a lot more intentional now with the content that I put out. So that's like just literally seeing the whole growth from I'm just supposed to like a video become more raise awareness in the community to no, like we need to tackle these issues in Jamaica, and I need to make sure that my people know about home ownership. I need to make sure that my people know about saving money. I need to let you guys know about life in the UK, life in Jamaica, like just everything, like how everything kind of evolved. Like I'm literally so grateful, and sometimes like I tell you guys, like I'm honestly overwhelmed by the support. So big up for myself. Well, me big up myself, because I the two of you know this together, right? So we got paid, but first of all, I want to know how long this take to come. The people them tell me, so them send me a pin from December and a February and the pin just reached my yard. I actually had to reorder a pin. Like, this is my second. I don't know if this is the second or the first pin, but this is the first pin to touch my hand, but this is the second one that I reordered. And the thing with YouTube is, well, let's get the money first and then I'll tell you guys about what I wish I knew, and just have a quick little chit chat for anyone that's thinking about starting a channel, anyone that's currently doing YouTube and they're not quite monetized as yet and you want to get to that next step. Please continue watching, because I'll be dropping some gems that I wish someone told me, and most of this information is not actually what's in the current videos. I don't know why people don't share the real information as to how we can get monetized, but nonetheless, let's log in now. So I actually wanted to do this bit with you guys because nobody else not do it by YouTube, and everybody talk about when the check reaching at them hand, but nobody not showing the real nitty-gritty of it, right? So we're going to talk about the monetization process so far, from what I know, my take on it, right? So to get monetized, to be completely honest, it is a lot of hard work. Like, me didn't have to put enough video. My informative videos would hit a decent watch time, which is basically between 5 to 7 minutes. However, like my random ass videos, like a vlog, or if I didn't put in any effort at all, those would probably hit 2-3 minutes watch time, which are not really much if we're supposed to get to 40,000 hours. 40,000 or 4,000? 4,000. That is literally nothing if you want to get to 4,000 watch hours. So keep watching and I'll tell you how. Let's just get the money first, right? Like I said, I really wanted to do the monetization. I don't know how I can see this in a book, Jaydah. Okay guys, so we're just gonna do the monetization part together because I feel like you guys should know how much work this takes, right? So first, once you hit your 1,000 subscribers and the watch time, then YouTube will let you know that you are now monetized, right? Once you get monetized, then you can place ads into your videos, or YouTube can do it for you automatically. Once you reach the threshold, whatever the word is. Once you reach the threshold now, which is £62 I believe at the moment, or just a £63 you have to make. Once you reach the threshold, then YouTube will notify you that you've reached it. Well, and I like to them, I go ping you and notify you, but them are gonna make you know say you reach threshold, and they'll send a pin to your house. If you don't add the pin onto the website, onto Google accounts, if you don't add the pin onto the Google accounts in a certain time frame, I don't know what the exact one is or if it's the same for everyone. I believe mine was probably about 8 weeks long. I didn't get the first pin like I told you guys, and they actually stopped my monetization process. Like, my videos weren't being monetized. I couldn't place any ads in them or anything, but I didn't know that it was being stopped. I had to go on Google accounts one day and realize that the money not add up. So then I went in and I requested another one, and then they added back my monetization in my videos, and then now it come, and then now I can do it before they block me again. So this red banner right now is basically just telling you guys that we haven't completed the verification process for my account. You guys can see the earnings that I made thus far. This is actually my first YouTube money that I'm getting, so I don't know if my first payout is the December money or the February money. This is just what I have available. So I'm going to say that the first payment that I received from YouTube is £96 and 6 pence, and I could have never happy, I could have never need the £96 more any sooner. Every make a muckle, the £96 feel like 96,000. Thank you YouTube, I really appreciate it. So yeah, now we're gonna verify it, because like I say, the pin just come. They give you the pin in this envelope. Actually you put in the pin on the YouTube, and then when it's time to get the money, basically you have to verify your bank account, and they send you £1 into your account with a code, as in with an amount, and then you put that into YouTube, and then that's how you get your actual payout. So them say them send it about the 9th of February. Oh, them tell you when them send it. They said you have to verify a deposit from Google. Look for a deposit of less than £1 on or around the 9th of February, and you get to select the amount. So let me see if I can filter my account for the 9th of February. Yeah, look from the 1st of February come right up. Let me show you guys how the money look. So you can see that on the 12th of February I got 90 pence from Google Ireland, and here it comes up with the options of you being able to select how much money you actually got paid, and then I guess that's how them verify with. So let's select the 90, 0.90. yeah, you select the 0.90, and then let's see if it works now. Okay, so guys, we selected the amount that they deposit into the account, and it's 90 pence. Let's verify and see if it works. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It work? Yeah, goodie, verify. Look at that screenshot. What screenshot I get sniping? I don't like this, so I'm not seeing live.
You want in my computer?
Bank account verified. What the money them? What the money give me to them? Could I buy something for myself? Who could I name? Could I name down the place? After my hard work, 1 year of free work for YouTube, I record. The earthfulest part of YouTube is when you record and you don't post it. Because you waste your whole day.
The document not good enough. Not the document. Where you film not good enough.
Bro, are you record and the quality poor? Like it just. Because what can you do after you done record? None. None. You should just delete it, or
you have to wear them video from the camera. When I post.
Just delete them. Just delete them, because that's gonna give you heartache. Yeah. I just delete mine. I'm just like, if I see this, I'm gonna just be so pissed off. I'm gonna be so pissed off. But anyways, it's just all a part of the game. I guess if we wanna do this content thing, we gotta be willing to learn and lose out sometimes. So the account verify now, people. Got goodie. I'm good, sir. I'm gonna pay out this. Alright, just go in on my account just so.
Check your account.
I'm gonna pay it out. Automatic payment, my love.
Really? I think you paid the 26 properly.
That stink. But you know, so YouTube get like a pay slip, like I can actually print it.
Really?
Yeah, and them have the day.
Yeah, because you have to pay, because some people have to pay tax on them, some of them things. Then you start earning over a certain amount. I have to register it so you get money from it.
I don't know how I get the payout. I don't know how I get the payouts, or just automatic in your account. Actually, I would like the money, that's the thing, I have plans for it. I have plans for that £96. I'm coming for now, find out, because this pop my shirt is done right now. Because they show me my balance. They must say I don't make the money today. When I watch the video, them we made $0.00 today. Please go and watch my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. YouTube must not update in a real time because I used to them upload and then I watch the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to find out how I actually get the money from YouTube, because it's showing me that the money is there but I don't see any payout options. I don't know if it's automated. I don't actually know what the deal is with that.